Ancient scrolls buried by Vesuvius Eruption have been deciphered using artificial intelligence. 3 researchers have been awarded a $700,000 prize for producing the first readable text from the previously unreadable scrolls. When Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD, it did not just destroy the city of Pompeii. Several other smaller settlements were also enveloped in ash and dust, including the town of Heracleum, and there was it was here that archaeologists unearthed hundreds of scrolls, all of them carbonized by the intense heat within the walls of what was once the palatial residence of a man named Piso. For years, experts have attempted to reveal the contents of these scrolls, but their fragile state, coupled with the carbonization process, has made it extremely difficult to examine them. And now, though, 3 students from the US, Egypt, and Switzerland have succeeded in deciphering around 2,000 words written on the scrolls. The achievement was made possible through the work of multiple teams over many years, many of whom winning smaller prizes, with the trio ultimately netting the $700,000 grand prize for their efforts. Deciphering the text requires the use of several methods and technologies, including artificial intelligence, digital scanning, and microcomputed tomography. The author, probably Epicurean philosopher Philodemus, writes here about music, food, and how to enjoy life's pleasures. Challenge co-founder Nat Friedman wrote on Twitter. In the closing section, he throws shade at unnamed ideological adversaries, perhaps the Stoics, who have nothing to say about pleasure, either in general or in particular. In addition, an additional prize of $100,000 now being offered to anyone who can read 90% of the 4 scrolls that have been scanned so far. Hopefully, given enough time, we may get to find out what's written on all of them. This is from Ars Technica, and it's on Unexplained Mysteries. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.